Real estate financing and mortgage quiz. Question 1. State licensing laws are primarily designed to protect whom? Option A. The public. Option B. Only brokers. Option C. Only appraisers. Option D. Only sellers. The correct answer is option A. The public. Licensing protects the public by setting minimum competence and discipline rules before people handle major property transactions. Question 2. A salesperson usually must work under whom to perform licensed activities? Option A. A sponsoring broker. Option B. A home inspector. Option C. A county clerk. Option D. A mortgage borrower. The correct answer is option A. A sponsoring broker. Broker supervision gives the license system accountability, connecting the salesperson's work to a responsible licensed broker. Question 3. Commingling occurs when a licensee does what? Option A. Mixes client funds with personal or business funds. Option B. Advertises a listing online. Option C. Shows a property twice. Option D. Uses a lockbox with permission. The correct answer is option A. Mixes client funds with personal or business funds. Commingling muddies the money trail, creating risk that trust funds will be misused or lost. Question 4. Conversion is more serious because it means a licensee does what? Option A. Uses client funds for an unauthorized purpose. Option B. Lists a property at market value. Option C. Gives a buyer a brochure. Option D. Attends a closing. The correct answer is option A. Uses client funds for an unauthorized purpose. Conversion is the theft-like step beyond messy handling, where protected money is actually used wrongly. Question 5. Fair housing laws generally prohibit discrimination based on protected classes in what activity? Option A. Housing sales, rentals, advertising, and financing. Option B. Only landscaping contracts. Option C. Only property tax appeals. Option D. Only private family gifts. The correct answer is option A. Housing sales, rentals, advertising, and financing. Fair housing keeps the door to housing opportunity from being locked by bias, making equal access a core market rule. Question 6. Steering is best described as what? Option A. Directing buyers toward or away from areas based on protected class. Option B. Explaining mortgage terms neutrally. Option C. Providing a property flyer. Option D. Scheduling an inspection. The correct answer is option A. Directing buyers toward or away from areas based on protected class. Steering quietly reshapes choice through bias, so the law treats it as a serious barrier to equal housing. Question 7. Blockbusting involves inducing sales by creating fear about what? Option A. Entry of protected groups into an area. Option B. Interest rate changes only. Option C. Roof replacement costs. Option D. School calendar changes. The correct answer is option A. Entry of protected groups into an area. Blockbusting weaponizes fear for profit, pushing owners to sell through discriminatory pressure. Question 8. Redlining most directly concerns discrimination in what field? Option A. Lending or insurance access by area. Option B. Home staging design. Option C. Survey measurement. Option D. Open house snacks. The correct answer is option A. Lending or insurance access by area. Redlining denies financial opportunity by location, drawing invisible walls around neighborhoods that should receive fair service. Question 9. A licensee advertising a listing should usually include what to avoid misleading the public? Option A. Brokerage identification as required by state rules. Option B. The seller's bank account. Option C. The buyer's social security number. Option D. A guaranteed profit statement. The correct answer is option A. Brokerage identification as required by state rules. Advertising rules make sure the public knows who is speaking, preventing hidden or deceptive marketing. Question 10. If a licensee is asked for legal advice beyond their license, what should they do? Option A. Recommend consulting an attorney. Option B. Draft a court complaint. Option C. Guarantee a lawsuit result. Option D. Ignore the question completely. The correct answer is option A. Recommend consulting an attorney. Real estate knowledge is not a law license, so the safest service is recognizing the boundary and referring the client to counsel. Question 11. Continuing education requirements are meant to ensure licensees do what? Option A. Stay current with laws, ethics, and practice standards. Option B. Avoid all broker supervision. Option C. Skip renewal deadlines. Option D. Replace state exams forever. The correct answer is option A. Stay current with laws, ethics, and practice standards. Continuing education keeps professional knowledge from going stale, because rules and market risks change over time. Question 12. Trust funds such as earnest money must generally be placed where? Option A. In an authorized trust or escrow account. Option B. In the agent's personal wallet. Option C. In an unmarked cash box. Option D. In the seller's mailbox. The correct answer is option A. In an authorized trust or escrow account. Trust accounts protect client money by separating it from the licensee's funds and creating a clear audit trail. Question 13. A state real estate commission most commonly has authority to do what? Option A. Discipline licensees for violations. Option B. Set federal income tax rates. Option C. Guarantee property values. Option D. Approve every mortgage nationwide. The correct answer is option A. Discipline licensees for violations. The commission is the profession's referee, enforcing rules so misconduct has consequences. Question 14. Which act is most likely an unlicensed practice concern? Option A. Receiving compensation for negotiating a sale without a license where required. Option B. Buying a home for personal use. Option C. Reading public property records. Option D. Hiring a moving company. The correct answer is option A. Receiving compensation for negotiating a sale without a license where required. Licensing laws control paid brokerage activity, because negotiation for others affects major legal and financial interests. Question 15. The best exam strategy for state-specific questions is to do what? Option A. Apply the general rule, then check the state exception. Option B. Assume every state is identical. Option C. Ignore agency law. Option D. Choose the longest option every time. The correct answer is option A. Apply the general rule, then check the state exception. State exams reward pattern recognition plus local precision, because broad principles often bend under state-specific rules.